Scotch eggs. I have sausage meat. I have some soft boiled eggs, some panko, some flour, and an egg wash. That's part of our 3-stage breading. The eggs are boiled and peeled. 7-minute eggs are what I use. We have the sausage meat. The major flavor components in this are mustard, grainy mustard, and paprika. Some salt and pepper to taste. I have some saran wrap laid down flat here, so what I'm going to do, put the meat in the saran wrap and flatten it out. Try and keep the saran wrap flat, because if it doesn't, then it's going to be a mess. Just try and be as delicate as you can. Take the egg, put it in the meat, and you just kind of close it up as gently as you can without breaking the egg. Now, if it seems like the meat is not going to wrap all the way around, you can just put it back down into the saran and flatten some more. So that it does. It's about 3 ounces of meat per egg, approximately. I already weighed mine up to make life a little bit easier. If you have an egg that has any kind of a break in it from the peel, you probably don't want to use that one, because it'll probably just break as you're trying to close it up, and you lose all that delicious milk. All right, so flour, egg, and panko is the order in which you do a 3-stage bread. So roll it in the flour, nice and complete. Full coverage, egg, and panko. Okay, make sure you have a nice, complete, nicely rolled, nicely sealed egg. Another one. There you go. Like that. All right, so we have our eggs nice and breaded. My hands are kind of gross right now, but we're gonna fry it up quickly. All good. Yeah, so we're just gonna fry up the egg for approximately 4 minutes. That's just so that the meat is cooked. You don't have to worry about the egg. If you fry it too long, the egg will overcook, and then it won't be as cool as mine. That's really what's gonna happen. What makes it good is that you can cook it, have it complete, and the egg stays soft boiled. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes for the egg. Check on it. Nice kind of golden brown. So I use a slicer. You can use a straight edge, whichever one makes more comfortable. To be honest, I use both. So we're going to let the knife do the work here. Cut that egg. See, it's nice and soft boiled still on the inside. A little bit of salt and pepper. The meat is fully cooked and the egg is soft boiled. A little parsley to make it nice. There you go.
There we go.